Welcome back, students. We'll discuss one more example based on Green's theorem. It is a little bit different compared to previous two examples, and it is very easy, but here we are converting into polar form. We are converting, or we are using the parametric equations of a circle. So just look at the question. Verify Green's theorem in a plane for this curve over a closed region, x square plus y square into dx plus 3x square y into dy, where C is a circle. They have mentioned the circle. If they have not mentioned, they will give in terms of definition. It's a circle with the center at origin and radius 2 also. If they not mention the equation, they will also mention in other form. Other form is, what does it represent? It is a circle with center at origin and radius 2, 2. It is r square. R square means radius is 2 square. Okay. So now let us verify the Green's theorem for. Let us verify Green's theorem for this curve. Okay. Let us write solution and write the Green's theorem. What is Green's theorem? Can you please? Integration over a closed curve C, mdx plus ndy is equal to double integration over a region R, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy, or else you can also call it as partial derivative of n with respect to x minus partial derivative of m with respect to y into dx dy. Okay, now as usual, you people already aware that here we are not going to find out any point of intersection. Okay, what is second step here? Or you can also write what is the value of m. Compare with this and this. What is the value of m? X square plus y square, and the value of n is 3x square y. Just compare it. Dx coefficient is m, dy coefficient is n. So next you can find out n with respect to x. With respect to x, 3y is constant right outside, because we know the principle of partial differentiation. Whenever we are differentiating with respect to x, treat y is a constant. So 3y is constant, x square differentiation is 2x. Here m with respect to what? Y. With respect to y, x square is constant, it is 0, y square value is 2y. And let us calculate dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Dou n by dou x is 6xy minus 2y, right? Or else you can also take common. What is common in these two? 2y is common, 3x minus 1, isn't it? 3x minus 1. Okay. Now the next step is, we are not at all going to find any point of intersection, because the circle itself is a closed curve. We are not going to find any point of intersection because of what? Circle itself is a closed curve with the center at origin and radius 2 units. But the question arises, in the previous example, we go OA, AO, right? We go AO, OA. Okay, but here it is only one circle. Okay, how you are going to solve this example? So what is the left side part, student? You can write LHS. LHS is closed curve, m dx value is x square plus y square into dx plus 3x square y into dy. Now we are not at all going to substitute x value or y value in terms of x. Here you have only one curve. So for the sake of that, I told initially that we are using the parametric equation of a circle. What you are using? Parametric. we use parametric equations. Parametric equations of a circle. What is the circle we have? X square plus y square equal to 2 square. It is like r square. The parametric equations are x equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. What is the value of r? R value is 2. 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta are the value of r. We are substituting these two in the given equation along with what is dx. Dx equal to 2 is constant. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta d theta. Differentiation of y is dy. Sin theta is cos theta into d theta. Previous example nange I1 I2 barದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕರ್ವ್ ಇದೆ, only you have one curve, so that's what we are substituting the parametric equations. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Next we have converted x in terms of theta, y in terms of theta, dx dy in terms of theta, and what is theta I want here? Theta where is from? Theta ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನಾಗ theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಸಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತದ. theta ಲೈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 360 ಆರ್ 2 pi. So now this is equal to theta runs from 0 to 2 pi. X value is r x square plus y square is what? X square plus y square is how much? X square plus y square is how much? 4. X square plus y square is how much? 4. 4 into dx value is minus 2 sin theta into d theta plus 3x square. 3 x value is 2 square cos square theta, y value is 2 sin theta into dy value is okay. This is theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Calculate it. 4 2s are minus 8 sin theta. You can d theta common later. 3 4s are 12. 12 2s are 24 cos square theta into sin theta. Again there is one more here. How much it is? 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 3s are 48 into cos theta, cos cube theta into d theta. Okay. Now how to integrate this? Integration of minus 8 sin theta. What is the value? Integration of minus how much? Minus 8 sin theta, isn't it? Again second value. How to integrate this? Okay, to integrate what I am doing is I am going to express separately. Theta runs from 0 to 2 pi. This is minus 8 sin theta into d theta plus separately integration runs from 0 to 2 pi. This total value is 48 into cos cube theta into sin theta into d theta. Yes. ಏನ್ರಿ ಇವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹನುಮಂತನ ಬಾಲ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹನುಮಂತನ ಬಾಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇಟ್. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta between 0 to 2 pi plus, in the second term what we are doing is the differentiation of cos theta is in front of it. When there is such a case, when f of x differentiation is f dash of x is in azu bazu, what we are doing? We are using substitution method. What is the substitution method we are using? Substitute cos theta is equal to t. Okay. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta into d theta is equal to dt, or sin theta d theta is equal to minus dt. And also verify the limits of integration. What are the limits here? When theta is equal to how much? 0. When theta equal to 0, what is the value of t? Cos 0 value is 1. Next, when theta equal to 2 pi, what is the value of theta? The t value. Cos 2 pi value. Cos 2 pi value is also 1. Therefore, here minus minus plus 8, substitute upper limit minus lower limit, plus here integral runs from, t runs from 1 to 1. Okay, here take 48 outside, cos theta value is t cube, sin theta d theta value is minus dt, and look at here 8 into cos 2 pi is 1, cos 0 is 1. I will write this value is 0. How? Do you have any idea about this? Because when the limits are same, whatever may be the value inside, it will become 0. Therefore, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. What we have done? We have verified the left side. What is the right side? What is the right side? What is the right side, please? Matadrole. Please express it. Integration over a closed region. Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. What is? I want the limits, isn't it? Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is 2y into 3x minus 1 into d. First what I am doing is I am writing the value of x, then I am writing the value of y, means this will become dy, this will become dx. Now with respect to a circle, I want to write left to right, lower to upper. You people already ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ coordinate of this point? Since it is lies on x axis and radius is 2, this will become 2, 0, isn't it? Isn't it? What about this? Minus 2, 0. So what is the left side? I can able to draw now. Left side is x is equal to minus 2, right side is x equal to 2. Left to right, left side value is minus 2 to 2. Okay, what is the lower portion and what is the upper portion? Lower portion, upper portion, how do you calculate? Because we have this value, right? We have a circle. What about this total? Total itself is a circle. Okay, how do you calculate here? Since the circle is x square plus y square equal to 4, I want value of y. What is the value of y here? Keep it y square as it is, transform x square. 4 minus x square. What is the value of y? Plus or minus square root of 4 minus x square. If I take negative, it is down 1. If I take positive value, it is upward. This is square root of 4 minus x square minus square root of 4 minus x square, it is positive. Hope it's clear, isn't it? So next thing is, you have written the limits, just you need to integrate first with respect to y, then with respect to x. So let us integrate this. Just look at x runs from minus 2 to 2. With respect to y, 3x minus 1 is constant. Integration of 2y. 2y square by 2 is just y square only, isn't it? Integration of 2y is y square between the limits. Minus square root of 4 minus x square to 4 minus x square into dx. Okay? Next, which is equal to, integral runs from x equal to minus 2 to 2, 3x minus 1, keep it as it is, substitute upper limit. What is upper limit value? Square root of 4 minus x square whole square minus of 4 minus x square whole square into dx. Okay? Look at further. X runs from 2 to minus 2 to 2. 3x minus 1 into, and squaring, what will get? Square root get cancels. What is remaining? 4 minus x square. Minus square is how much? Positive or negative? Minus square is always positive. This is directly again 4 minus x square only. And the answer is 0. How? Why? 4 minus x square minus 4 minus x square is how much? 0. 0 into anything is 0. Integration of 0 is 0. Therefore, left side is also 0. Right side is also 0. RHS is also 0. Green's theorem is verified. You can write once again, integration over a closed curve C, m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration over a region R, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Thank you.